Alden Richard update. And may pa-orchids pa si Alden kay Mama.
Salamat na. Flower. Thank you. I love you.
Happy birthday. Grabe si Alden eh. Sa ito. And during and Bibo shoot. And magkakasama dyan sila Alden Richard, Maine Mendoza, Marian Rivera, at Ann Curtis in one frame. Grabe yun. Ano? Kapuso, kapamilya, kapatid, nagsama sa isang shoot ng Bibo. And naka-blurred pa nga. And during shoot ng Bibo. Yung mga kasama ni Alden, sila Ann Curtis at Miss Marian Rivera. Saka si May. Nagsama-sama yung apat for Bibo shoot. Grabe yun. Ito, kinongras pa nga si Alden ay Stars on the Floor family. Sabi, congratulations to Stars on the Floor host and Asian multimedia star Alden Richard to winning bida sa Takilya Actor Awardee at the recent 33rd and 73rd PAMAS Award. Your Stars on the Floor family is so proud of you. You know. Ito pa yung mga video ni Alden. And during awards night ng PNP Star Wars 4 Television, kung saan wagi si Alden. Ang dami pa nga, pinagkagulong pa nga si Alden. Gusto magpa-picture at may interview si Alden. Yung pa yung side view ni Alden. Ang guwapo. Yung katabi niya yung Alden dyan si Mama Ten. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.